Hi dear students, how are you today? Are you fine? Are you fresh? I hope so. Are you ready to start our today's lesson? Yes, let's get started our today's lesson. What is that? Relation and function. By the end of this class, you will understand what is relation and what is function. Okay? At first, let's start to understand what is relation. Okay? A relation is the set of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. You studied in previous class ordered pairs. Okay? This type, which has x value and y value. This is called ordered pairs. A relation is the set of ordered pairs. The set of ordered pairs that the set of all first components. All first components. Who can tell me that what are first? 0, 1, minus 1. These are the first components. And what do we call these? 0, 1, minus 1. We are going to call them domain. If I tell you what are the domains from these sets, what do you tell me? 0, 1, minus 1. And second components are called range. Range. Okay? What are range? 5, minus 3, and minus 3. Okay? Of the relation. Now, in total, we say these are what? Relation. So, once more, a relation is the set of ordered pairs that the first components are called what? Domain. And the second components are called range. Very simple. Okay, in here, it is said that these three ordered pair is a relation since it is a set of ordered pairs, as I told you. Now we can show relation by three types. The first one, as a table, the first components are 0, 1, minus 1, 5, minus 3, minus 3, as a table. And also we can show that as a map. Map, 0, 5, 1, minus 3. And what is the value? Minus 1 is also related to minus 3 in here. Minus 1 is minus 3. And in here, we can show on the graph. Okay? So, what is this? First is x is 0. So, this is 0. And what is the value of y? It is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In here, we will have a point. Like, for example, A or B or C or some other. Okay? I write it as A, the first point. In here, A. 1 minus 3. The value of x is 1. And the value of y is minus 3. I have to go down. What? It is the point B. Minus 1, minus 3. This is left side is minus 1. And I have to come down. It is C. I can write them as B and C. So in three types we can show the relation. Okay? So it was all about the relation, and now we are going to study what is function. A function is a rule that assigns to each element of x. To each element of x. Okay? As I told you, elements of x. 0, 1. The first elements are called x. In set A, exactly one element y in set B. And here I showed you as a map. Okay? This is the set of x, the set of x, or the values which are belongs to x. And in here, what do we say? 1 is only related to 2. 1 is only related to 2. It means that each element of x in set A exactly one element y in set B. It is set A and it is set B. So in here we see that 1 is only related to 2. 2, 6, 3, 9. So what do we call the values of set A? What do we call them? We call domain. These are all domain. It means the first elements. And what do we call these? We call them range. So the set of x values are called independent variables. Independent. They are alone. They are not dependent. Okay? And the set of y values are called dependent values. Dependent, it means they are related to this. They are related to this. Okay? If this increase, this will increase too. If this decrease, this will decrease too. It means this set B is related to or dependent to set A. Now 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 9. The first one we have to see 1, 2, 3. They are not repeated. They are not repeated. So it is a function. But in here 1, 1. 1, 1. They are repeated. So it is not a function. It was all about function and relation. I hope that you got it. And any comments or suggestions are most welcome. And be with us. See you.